Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to validate common credit card numbers. In main function we will have all the credit card numbers. Let's give a string 1. See what all credit cards. Okay, let's take an example of American Express. Let's give and let's give one more American Express and string 3. Let's give Visa or Discover. Let's give Discover. And now let's have a Visa and one more example of American Express. Let's take one more. Let's take a MasterCard. So we want a condition and take an example where the credit card is Amex or American Express. So in that case our condition 1, 2 and 5 should pass and 3, 4 and 6 should fail. So let's use a regular expression. Must compile. So what? So let's check out few example of credit card patterns. So we need a MX. So let's take this. Let's copy this. So this is an expression for MX. So let's see now if empty printf can say credit card. Comma string 1 dot match string and says string 1. Let's copy this 6 times. 6, change it to 2, 2, 6. Let's remove this. Okay, now let's run. So we are going to validate if this is an MX card or not. You see first, second, which is actually an American Express, and fifth we used here is MX again, that is true. So this is a very simple example. In similar way you can actually check if the card is let's take one more example of, let's take this MasterCard and check whether it works or not. So let's replace this with MasterCard and let's run this again. So only go run main.go. So only we will have a last condition will be true. See, rest all are false. Only this condition is true. So this is how we can validate the credit card details. So guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.